Wholesale Investor is a matchmaking service which connects ASX listed companies with high net worth and also professional investors. The biggest challenge for ASX small caps is they really struggle to get visibility in the marketplace. You find a lot of the business and financial media really looks to cover the ASX 300. And outside of that, you've got 1,700 small, even some medium caps, as well as the micro caps, that really struggle to get any awareness amongst the investment community. And that can also include the professional community as well, along with the stockbrokers. Wholesale Investor assists small cap listed companies by providing them with visibility and distribution for their company, the profile itself, and also for their news and announcements. Now, we have several different ways of doing this. The first one is actually on the Wholesale Investor website, which is wholesaleinvestor.com.au. On our site, companies get their own virtual mini site for which they can have corporate videos, CEO interviews, they can have recent articles, recent ASX announcements, and also they can put on their reports which they've had conducted by stockbrokers or research firms. The second part to that is that through distribution via email, obviously when it comes to dealing with public listed companies, sometimes information is time sensitive, and so when a major news announcement's coming up, Wholesale Investor can distribute that automatically via email out to our network so that investors are kept up to date with exactly what the company is having. The third way is through investment opportunity evenings, where investors can meet with the CEOs directly. A lot of the time, especially in the ASX listed small cap, the investors actually do want to come out, they want to listen to the CEOs direct, they want to hear what the company's doing, they want to understand what projects they're working on, and also understand what potential upside or what potential value increases will be in the company over the following 12 months. The fourth one is through CEO interviews. Now, Wholesale Investor's got an arrangement with the Thomson Reuters Insider program where CEOs can come and be interviewed and then have that video distributed out through the Insiders platform as well as to the Wholesale Investor network, and then any other third-party providers which are looking to give distribution to that content, which is great because what it does, it means it allows the CEOs to get their message out to a far wider audience than what they've previously been. And the last way is through the Wholesale Investor magazine. Now, the Wholesale Investor magazine has a distribution of over 8,700, and that is made up of high net worth, professional, international investors, as mentioned before. So it's an active network, it's a targeted network, and we're really seeking to make sure that companies can have full voice to them through multiple distribution channels. Well, small cap listed companies are always seeking to build the value of their share price, of course. They're also seeking to build liquidity in their stock. And the last one is they're always seeking to expand their shareholder base. So because the Wholesale Investor Network is quite active, we've seen all three of those results in our clients across a wide range of sectors, from the healthcare sectors through to the mining sectors, through to the technology sectors, and even in the property sector as well, and funds management. So really what it does is it provides companies with the ability to promote, distribute and announce to an active marketplace that is investing, that is looking to invest, and that highly favours these kinds of opportunities. In fact, in our last survey that we did, we found that ASX listed companies rank second as the most attractive opportunities which the high net worth investors are looking to get access to, with private companies being first. Well, generally when a small cap listed company comes to Wholesale Investor, they often believe that their share price is undervalued, they feel that it has more potential, and also they often believe that they have news announcements which could impact that share price. So the best way to use Wholesale Investor is, the first step is actually profiling your company, to let our investor network know about your company, your activities, what you're doing and so forth, just so they have a general understanding. And then it all becomes about the delivery of news and announcements for what activities you're up to, whether it be half-yearly reports, full-year reports, obviously transactions which companies are doing, commercial arrangements and so forth. That really provides our investors with up-to-date information and also feeds their interest in your company. The best way to contact Wholesale Investor is to go to the website, which is wholesaleinvestor.com.au. From there, click on the tab which says ASX Profiling. In that, you'll be asked a few simple questions, and just allows us to find out a little bit more information about your company, also some of your business activities, and also obviously your stock code, so we can do some more information. Then from there, one of our staff will be in contact with you to talk more about the Wholesale Investor services.